Let's see if he can adjust and hit the second free throw right here. Yes, he does. Straight it through para dito kay Harold Danlas. Gigante. Pick and roll. Gigante to the basket. And once again, he is fouled. Very explosive move right there. Para dito kay JM Gigante. Let's see. Once again, that layup by JM Gigante. That explosion to the basket. Either allow him to get the layup or just foul him. Yun na yung choice mo kapag kasama mo si Gigante on the floor. Two for two para kay JM Gigante. 11-point lead para sa Bayung Porac, 36-25. Pare gives it to Dalusong. And it over dito, Borja mishandles. And ito Gigante with another transition opportunity. And Gigante once again. Now a 13-point lead for Bayung Porac. Harold goes to Dalusong. Dalusong from the outside. That looked good when it left his hand. Second three-point conversion for Justin Dalusong. Less than a minute remaining in this first half. Gian being hounded by Rodriguez. They lob it up top, and there's a foul, a body bump on Lapuz's shot. I believe that will be Borja who will get whistled for the foul. Let's see this three-pointer again by Justin Dalusong from way downtown. It looked good when it left his hand. Lapuz misses the first free throw. Let's see if he can adjust and make the second. 40 seconds na titira sa ating second period. 1 out of 2 for Lapuz. Nabalik ang kalamangan dito. 11-point lead ulit for Bayung Porac. They go down low, Rodriguez. Rodriguez. They give it to Canlas. Harold swings it over. Good uptake by Michael. Michael misses. Ayaw pa rin for Borja. Now 19 seconds na lang natitira sa ating second quarter. Last shot dito. Itong Bayung Porac. Gigante. Losing double figures already in this first half. JM. They try to lob it up to Stanley. Ends up in a turnover. And Capulong with a steal. Try to beat the buzzer for 3, but nonetheless, etong Bayung Porac started to wake up defensively, and they're shooting a very high clip on the offensive end. That's why labang na sila by the biggest spread of this ball game at 11 points. Actually, they were up by 13 at some point dito. You can see some of these second quarter highlights para dito sa dalawang koponan in this first half, and a lot of steals, a lot of transition baskets. And this was the highlight lob galing kay Pare and Harold. Right, Harold Canlas, and right here an 11-point lead para sa Bayung Porac at the half, 39-28. Tutok lang po kayo mga kabalin at magbabalik po tayo dito for the second half ng laban ng Bayung Porac kontra the Municipality of Arayat. 39-28, an 11-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac against the Municipality of Arayat after half of your 2024 Delta Cup. As we can see some of these first half highlights right here. And we started off with Harold Cruz scoring 4 quick points, but then si JM Gigante exploded through this first half. A lot of steals, a lot of fast break layups. 16 points already for Joren Mark Gigante. Para dito sa Municipality of Arayat, they had some moments in that first half, especially in the first quarter. Nakalamang pa sila ng 6 na puntos, but once itong Bayung Porac started to get hot from the outside via Papa Capulong, and also Gian Cruz scoring 14 points of his own. First half na yan, that's where they never look back. Nakalamang pa sila ng 13 points. As we can see the leading scores right here, Gigante, Joren Gigante with 16 points, Cruz with 14, Papa Capulong with 8 para dito sa Bayung Porac. For Municipality of Arayat, Dalusong with 11, Manalang with 6, and Bartolome with 3 points. The corner three-pointer for Nino Vasquez is a miss to start off the second half para dito sa Bayung Porac. Three-pointer is short there para dito kay Edward Santiago, but there was a foul whistled underneath. It's on Miko Gigante. So 2 free throws para dito kay John Patrick Manalang, who had 6 first half points earlier. Manalang knocked down the first free throw. Oh, way off the mark yung second free throw ni Manalang. Gigante gives it. Capulong, who had 8 first half points, make that 11 points now to his tally. His third 3-point conversion of the ball game. Nabalik niya sa pinakamalaking kalamangan itong lead nila at 13 points, and a steal by Joren. And Gigante with 18 points now in this ball game. $15-point lead. This is the biggest lead of the game already para dito sa Bayung Porac as Harold Cruz misfires from the outside. Wala rin yung tip doon ni Borja. Capulong on a 3-on-2. Capulong layup. No good. Cruz with an offensive board. Cruz powering through. Block right there from behind by Manalang. JM thought about the jumper, decides to pull it out. 6 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Gigante. Are they aware? JM from the outside. No good dun. Ito, a counter steal right here para dito sa Bayung Porac. Capulong, 3-pointer. Hunting for his 4th. Wala pa rin yun. Offensive rebound for Gigante. Cruz tried to swing it over dito to Miko Gigante, but the ball was tapped and ball stays for Bayung Porac. Gigante. JM attacks, drops it off to Vasquez. Extra pass to Gian Cruz. Tic-tac-toe para dito sa Bayung Porac. Gian Cruz. Beautiful dish. Galing dito kay Nino Vasquez. And another steal by Capulong. Here comes Gigante. An easy layup now para dito kay JM Gigante now with 20 points to his tally. Don't look now, it's now a 19-point lead para sa Bayung Porac, 48-29. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament dito sa Pampanga. Itong Bayung Porac now with the biggest lead of this ball game at 19 points, 48-29. The Lusong from the outside. Finally, a score here para dito sa Municipality of Arayat. That's the Lusong's third three-point make of this ball game. And can he wake up his teammates dito as they're down? Joren misses the mid-range jumper, but Nino with the offensive rebound. Kapulong from way downtown. Oh, good. Fight for the loose ball. Vasquez keeps it alive for Bayung Porac. 10 seconds on the shot clock for the men in white. Kapulong gives it to JM. 7 seconds on their shot clock. JM attacks, natapik yung bola, and it will go back sa panig ng Municipality of Arayat. 6 minutes and 54 remaining. Harold gives it to Borja. They swing it over to the Lusong. They go to the corner. Canlas from the outside, no good. Oh, offensive rebound for Marcelo. There's a foul. I believe it's going to be on Papa Kapulong. It's a second personal foul for Kapulong. Good up fake by Marcelo. Drops it off to Borja, and Borja with a layup. Ian Borja with a beautiful layup, cutting the lead down to 14. So very manageable if you're Municipality of Arayat. You have to get some stops. There's the stop. Canlas against Gigante. Oh! It's a goaltending violation whistled here on JM Gigante. Coach Arvin Ibay calls for time. Their lead is now cut down to 12, 48-36. A 12-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. The lead has been cut down substantially by the Municipality of Arayat after it was as high as 19 points kanina. Ngayon, 12 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. Let's see if etong Bayung Porac can wake up again. As we can see, Coach Arvin Ibay, the head coach of Bayung Porac, not happy with how his team has been responding in the past few minutes. Had a good start to the second half, but recently tried to get a lot of turnovers. Kapulong attacks the basket, got stripped, and here comes Municipality of Arayat. Canlas, nakatapikan ni Kapulong. Good defense right there by Kapulong. Vasquez on the run. Vasquez hangs it and puts it up and in. What will Municipality of Arayat answer? Borja through the traffic. There's a foul whistled here on Nino Vasquez. 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Municipality of Arayat. Canlas manning the point for Arayat. Borja back to Canlas. Canlas attacks. Canlas is fouled. I believe Stanley Canlas ang pumal dito kay Harold Canlas. Or is it going to be on Jensen De Leon? It is on Jensen De Leon. Five minutes and 14 seconds remaining in this third period. 50-37, and let's see. There's the foul galing dito kay Jensen De Leon. De Leon with a rebound there. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. Ito si Harold Canlas. JM. Gives it to Gian. Gian playing from the three-point line, directing traffic. Cruz gives it to Stanley na agawan ni Borja. 3-on-2. Borja, oh, what a block there by Gigante. JM to De Leon, blocked then. What a rejection. Galing dito kay Alexis Mungal. Mungal saving the day. Or correction, that's not Mungal, that's Manalang with the rejection. Would have been an easy 2 points for De Leon, but Manalang was protecting the rim right there. Borja, quick shot, blocked there by De Leon.
13 seconds shot clock.
Wala pa rin ng Arayat here with 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 points ang hinahabol nila. Ito, tumatakbo na naman ang mga nakaputi. Canlas nearly slipped. I think he might have gotten hurt in the process. Good pass right there and easy basket para kay Kian Borja. An 11-point lead na naman ang hinahabol dito ng Municipality of Arayat. Gigante. He'll attack. Jorem hangs in midair. No good. Rebounded by Manalang. Marcelo against Cruz. Marcelo hangs in midair. Wala yung tira. Borja with a board. Kian attacks. Stripped by Capulong. And ball will go back to Bayung Porac. JM gives it dito. So, nagbabalik na si Jay Serrano. 50 to 39, 3 minutes and 22 remaining in the third period. Cruz from the outside. Too strong. Serrano with a rebound. Serrano to Cruz, and Cruz once again is fouled. Balik sa free throw line. Etong si Gian Cruz. Let's look at this once again right here. There's the foul. So Gian Borja.
First foul.
First free throw para kay Gian Cruz. Gets the ball to rattle in. Cruz trying to go 2 for 2. Yes, he does. He extends this lead to 13, 52 to 39. Yung Gigante upo muna siya, di marukot. Babalik sa floor. Canlas. Harold attacks, kicks it over to Marcelo. Marcelo from the corner, no good. Rebound by Dalusong. Pare, we go underneath to Marcelo. Marcelo flips it up and in. And then Marcelo with the basket. Oh, what a rejection right there.
11 seconds shot.
And then Marcelo with a block. And the smile right after. Let's look at that one more time. Marcelo, beautiful rejection right there. They lob it up to Canlas. Masyado nga lang mataas yung pasa. Pare drops it off to Dalusong. The kick to Canlas. Harold couldn't finish. On the run na naman tong Bayung Porac. Cruz couldn't catch it cleanly. That's another turnover for Bayung Porac. A chance here for the Municipality of Arayat to cut the lead down to single digits. It's currently at 11, so any field goal will cut it down to single digits, and they go to Marcelo underneath. Oh, Redem. Inadali yung tira, and it leads to an easy fast break layup para dito kay Kenneth Naku. Touchdown para dito sa Bayung Porac. Harold Gives it to Rodriguez. Swings it to Dalusong who hit 3 3-pointers already. And Canlas gets the layup. Good cut. Galing dito kay Harold Canlas and good find. Galing dito kay Justin Dalusong. Minute and 32 seconds remaining in this third period. Serrano gives it to Stanley. Stanley scoop layup is good right there. Exchange of baskets will favor itong Bayung Porac as they are up by 13 points. Good strip right there. And ito tumatakbo ng Bayung Porac, a 4-on-2. Di Marukot goes to Naku and Naku finishes that jumper. Canlas on the other end, lobs it up to Marcelo and another turnover for the Municipality of Arayat. They have had their chances to cut the lead further down but di lang nila makakapitalize. Naku kicks it to Stanley. His jumper is short. Cruz fighting hard for the rebound and Gian is fouled and will go back to the free throw line where he has been living almost the entire ball game sa free throw line ito si Gian Cruz.
First personal, second team foul.
Gian Cruz, first free throw. Short. His earlier trip he was 2 for 2. This time maximum 1 out of 2, but let's look at this beautiful fast break that ends up in a shortstop jumper galing dito. Kenneth Naku. Oh, Cruz, his second free throw did a toilet bowl spin. Dalusong. Good read by Canlas and here comes Rodriguez. Basket and one. Para dito kay Jordan Rodriguez. Sean Di Marukot whistled for his second personal. Rodriguez did not stop playing and did not stop running. That's why nakakuha siya ng easy basket doon off a dime from Dalusong. Rodriguez makes the bonus free throw. 25 seconds natitira sa ating third period. Naku. Good baseline pass to Di Marukot. What a play right there. Para dito sa Bayung Porac. Great pass from Kenneth Naku. As Dalusong from way downtown off the mark. Team Ball couldn't get the putback. Cruz from half court. No good at dyan magtatapos ang ating third period. Bayung Porac. There were moments where they struggled in this game but still able to finish this quarter with a double-digit lead. It's currently at 14-60 to 46. Dito, they were led by guys like J.M. Gigante, Sean Di Marukot, and Kenneth Nakos. Makikita natin dito ang third quarter highlights natin. Justin Dalusong trying to wake his team up with those 3-pointers. Same with Harold Canlas and Ian Borja. But on the other end, just too much ang offense dito ng Bayung Porac. A lot of fast breaks, a lot of good setup plays, especially that end of the quarter layup para dun kay Sean Di Marukot. Of course, Kenneth Naku with the dime kanina, and that's why lamang sila na 14 points, 60 to 46, entering the fourth and final period of our first game dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. J.M. Gigante has 20 points already in this ball game through 3 quarters. Looking to finish strong itong Bayung Porac as they are protecting a 14-point lead. But your Municipality of Arayat, you've shown that you can cut the lead down. Can you finally get a major comeback dito and get your first win of the tournament? As ito, Arayat with the first possession. Pare from way downtown, no good. Marcelo gets fouled off of the offensive rebound.
Pushing foul.
Pushing foul is whistled here on Blake Canlas.
Second personal. Pushing foul.
Dalusong kicks it over Michael through the defense, stripped away. Ball will stay dito sa panig ng Arayat. 8 seconds on the shot clock for Arayat. Oh, Dalusong's wide open. In and out nga lang. Michael back to Dalusong. Long two-pointer. Way off the mark. Marcelo with another offensive rebound. Rodriguez to Michael. Pare from the outside. Ayaw talaga and it did not hit rim. That's a 24-second shot clock violation para dito sa Municipality of Arayat. Did 4 chances to score in that possession. Just couldn't get one to drop. Vasquez gives it to Gigante. JM, pull-up jumper off the mark. Kapika ng bola, mapupunta dito sa panig ng Arayat. Last touch doon itong si Stanley Canlas. Harold, gives it to Dalusong, back to Harold. Canlas gets stripped. Here comes Gigante, another fast break opportunity. JM puts it up and in against Harold Canlas. That's the first 2 points of the fourth quarter para dito sa panig ng Municipality, or Bayung, Porac, should I say. Pare gets stripped again. Di Marukot. Stop and pop jumper. It's good. Back-to-back baskets for Bayung Porac. Now balik sa 18 points ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Porac as again the lob is well read. Stanley Canlas playing that last line of defense very well. He gets a rebound right here. A good steal by Michael Pare. We go down low. Marcelo puts up a wild shot. And Gigante will get a gimme layup right here. No one from Arayat came back down to get the ball. Dalusong. The lob to Marcelo. Short ulit. And another steal once again para dito sa panig ng Bayung Porac. JM. Gives it to Di Marukot. Handoff to Vasquez. Canlas. Sean. Oh, an offensive foul whistle right here. It's going to be on Blake Canlas. An illegal pick on Benito. We have a timeout on the floor. Municipality of Arayat shooting for time. They're down by 20 big points. This is the biggest lead of this ball game. After this beautiful jumper kanina ni Sean Di Marukot. That's why lamang na sila ng 20 puntos with guys like Gigante. JM Gigante. Now up to 20 plus points. 20-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. JM Gigante of Bayung Porac looking good in this ball game as he is now up to 20 plus points na. They have a 20-point lead, 66-46 dito, and they get another steal. Vasquez on the run. Oh, that's a clear traveling violation on Nino Vasquez. Vasquez forgot to dribble, much to the dismay of Coach Arvin Ibay. Vasquez forgot to dribble that time, and that ends up in a turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. Borja. He goes to the middle to Rodriguez, kicks it out. Dalusong back to Kian. Borja, the layup, no good. And Rodriguez, oh! That was halfway down and niluwa pa ng ring dito. Little bit of bad luck on the side of Municipality of Arayat. Those shots are not falling for them. JM. Pick and roll with Canlas and Blake with the finish. Beautiful execution on the pick and roll. 22 points ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Porac. This is the biggest of the ball game. Marcelo with an easy baseline layup. 5 minutes and 46 remaining in this final quarter of the ball game. Bayung Porac looking good. 20 points ang kanilang kalamangan. Looking like they're going to increase or at least get another win to their tally. Oh! Gigante with a pass to Canlas, and Canlas misses the gimme, but he gets it back in his foul, and he'll troop to the line for 2. Foul will be of Jordan Rodriguez. Kapulong and Gian Cruz come back in. Lalabas muna Shandy Marugat at Blake Canlas. Canlas' first free throw is a miss. Let's see if he can finally adjust and hit the second free throw. Yes, he does. 21-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. Edward Santiago comes back into the game for the Municipality of Arayat. Borja. They're struggling dito sa 3-2 defense ng Bayung Porac in this game. Borja from the outside. In and out pa rin para sa kanila. They had a lot of those in and out shots today, even from close range. JM gives it to Kapulong. Back to Gigante. Kapulong fires from the outside. A little bit off the mark para dito kay Papa Kapulong. Marcelo, good up pick. Marcelo gives it up to Borja, and Borja gets the basket plus a foul. Good passing and execution right there para dito sa Municipality of Arayat. Look at this right here. Marcelo loses the ball, but Borja's there at the right place at the right time. Basket and one para sa kanya. Let's see if he can make the bonus free throw. In and out din para dito kay Borja. Four minutes and 19. Itong Bayung Porac looking to put away the Municipality of Arayat already. JM gives it to Cruz. Back to JM. Gigante lobs it up. Turnover. And Borja here all alone. Nahabol pa ni Vasquez. That defense by Nino Vasquez, the hustle to get back down on defense, delayed Borja's shot and made him miss. The duty foul galing dito kay Dalusong. Upo muna itong si Justin Dalusong. Babalik sa laro. Ito si Aldrin Bartolome. Gigante gets a round of applause from his bench. He is subbed out here. The coach Arvin Ibay, I believe itong si Naku na ang magman ng point for the rest of the ball game. Is Naku. Oh, a lifting violation. Bartolome. Down by 19. Itong Municipality of Arayat. And if your Municipality of Arayat, you want to get this lead down to a respectable margin. As Borja short arms that three-pointer. Naku. Wisely wasting away some precious seconds dito sa oras. Cruz. Gian Lobs it to Stanley. Canlas, the kick to Kapulong. Papa, pull-up jumper is good for Papa Kapulong. Si Papa Kapulong with that beautiful jumper extends this lead to 21 points, 71-50. Outside jumper para dito kay Manalang is a miss. Seems like itong Bayung Porac just has more energy in this morning's ball game. They're faster to the loose ball. They're hustling more. They're rebounding more compared to Municipality of Arayat, and that's why they're going to get their second win dito sa ating tournament. They're now going to improve to 2 and 3 team standings, and we will see the team standings later on. See saan ba mapupunta itong Bayung Porac after this victory. Of course, they are playing in the bracket A. Currently 1 and 3 ang kanilang standings, but with this victory, they get 2 and 3 now on their record. Jensen De Leon comes in, replacing ito si Stanley Canlas. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Oh, good denial underneath on Naku, but Naku gets it right back up and in. 23-point lead. This is the second time na nakita natin na 20.3 or 23-point lead ang meron itong Bayung Porac. Bartolome from the outside. Ayaw pa rin talaga. Borja standing three-pointer. No good. So they're just basically waiting for the final score dito. What a bounce-back game galing dito sa Bayung Porac, who lost in a similar fashion against Mexico last Wednesday. But right now, they get a huge bounce-back victory against the Municipality of Arayat. Look at this, 73-50 is our score. And again, look at that. Vasquez with another tap. 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Itong Bayung Porac already sealed the deal dito sa ating laro. We're just basically waiting for the final score. Look at that rebound right there by Jensen De Leon. Yes, probably just dribble out the clock dito. Uubusin na lang ng Bayung Porac, who played a masterful performance. They were down 4-0 at the start. But then once they got the lead in the first period, they never looked back. Vasquez will just dribble out the clock. Oh no, he fires para hindi sila magkaroon ng team turnover doon. But what a performance for the boys. Ni Coach Arvin Ibay bouncing back in this ball game, and now they will improve as a late shot right there for Borja off the glass. It cuts the lead down to 20. But that'll do it na. Congratulations sa panig dito ng Bayung Porac, bouncing back in a big way after their loss on Wednesday. Dahil sa sobrang daming gumawa. Guys like Gian Cruz, Nino Vasquez's defense, Stanley Canlas, the three-pointers made by Papa Kapulong. And they're now up in this ball game. They win this game convincingly, a 20-point victory para dito sa Bayung Porac. 20-point victory for them, 73-53 dito. At that is our final score right here. At syempre, makakasama natin in a while ang ating best player of the game para dito sa panig ng Bayung Porac. Walang iba kundi si JM Gigante. JM, congratulations. Grabe, last Wednesday naglaro kayo. Medyo natambakan kayo ng Mexico. Yun ba yung parang naging wake-up call para sa inyo para maganda yung laro nyo ngayong araw?
Ginawa lang namin na inspirasyon yun, Kuya, para makabakon kami sa laro namin. Kasi minsan dumadating naman sa team talaga na off talaga siya.
Yes.
Kaya sinaga namin siya sa pag-ensayo na makukuha namin din yung panalo na to. At yun nga, hanggang sa nakuha naman namin.
Well, yung simula nyo, medyo flat kayo, di ba? Down kayo 4-0. Pero ano yung sinabi ni Coach Arvin Ibay sa timeout niya doon? Kasi pagkatapos, paglabas nyo sa timeout, parang nagising kayo bigla at doon kayo nagkaroon ng malaking scoring run.
Kasi ang sinabi niya noon, na alala ko na ba't ganun daw kami magdepensa, ganyan. Kasi nag-start talaga yung sa depensa talaga, di ba? bago mo makuha yung opensa mo. Yun, sabi niya, darating din yung opensa nyo. Magdepensa muna kayo bago nyo makuha yung opensa nyo.
At yun nga nanggaling karamihan ng puntos mo from mga steal and fast break layup. Pero JM, ito chance mo na para magbigay ng mga shoutout and yung mga pabati mo sa mga nanonood, lalong-lalo na ang mga sumusuporta ng Bayong Porac.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na binigay na yung panalo na to. At siyempre, shoutout sa pamilya ko na lagi nakasuporta sa akin. At yung mga pinsan ko sa side ni mama ko, yung mga kaibigan ko dyan, yung mga tito ko. Tsaka sa side ni Papa ko yan, shoutout din sa mga tropa ko, kay Manusig Rainier, Stanley Ganlas, Clavert Salengayan, Joshua Hipolito. And siyempre shoutout din sa girlfriend ko, kay Alexandria Azarino.
Yun. Congratulations, that is JM Gigante. 24 points ang ating best player of the game. Para dito sa Bayong Porac, they improved to 2-3 sa ating team standings for bracket A dito. Congratulations once again, JM. Pero mga kabalin, hindi lang po magtatapos dyan ang ating Delta Cup kasi coming up next, it's the battle between Ing Malugod Candaba kontra the 4-2 Macabebe Warriors. Susunod na po yan dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Dyan po magtatapos ang ating first game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa. On behalf of Direct Omar Santiago, Direct Don Mike Danan, Direct Billy De Leon, Direct Carlo Olpos, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup.